This is a roof leak that I had to fix today, and there's going to be a new roof here within the next couple of years, so this is a good temporary fix. Basically what happens, sometimes these cut valleys like that, you can maybe just see how one side is cut straight down over the other side, and so you have a cut valley there. Sometimes the valley wears with just the motion of the roof over 20-year periods, and so the bottom of the valley here, where I have some shingles interlaced going up the valley, had kind of worn through the gravel and punched a little hole. So I weaved new shingles. These are roof cap shingles. They just come in a single piece and they fit in there nice and easily. But I fit those up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and you can see some and some are underneath. But then also I took here and slid this self-adhesive roof roll roofing, and I slipped it up under that bottom course about 6 inches, and that's about as far as you can slide things like this. But so anyway, that should take care of any further leakage, but there is some roof damage here. The roof sheathing under here is I can tell it's got some rot, and it's very thin, and you have to be careful. There's the chance you could step through it because it sounds crunchy. So in a year or two, this house is slated to get a new roof on it, and so this will take care of it. Until then, no point in spending money sooner than it needs to be spent. And I don't know. I mean, this house may not even last. This is a very good candidate to be torn down, and there's 3 lots here, and I could build 6 small 3-story houses, much like those over there. You see how those look? Those are 2 properties. Actually, they're triplexes on one 25-foot lot, 3 stories high, with parking underneath. And so I could do 6 of those right here. Okay, that's and that's the there is no rest of the story. That is the story. Okay,